How to edit and save GIF in Photoshop. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So here is a GIF which I want to edit and save in my desktop. So what you have to do is to simply click on the windows on the top and go for this timeline, and this will opens up the timeline of your GIF, and here you can edit your duration of your GIF, like how much you want your GIF to be repeated, or you can also do a loop by clicking on the settings with the volume. Once you are done, you can simply adjust your duration, and you can also go for this fade with black and how you want your GIF to be ended. So once you are done with all of these settings, you have to simply click on this file on the top left corner and go for this export and save for web, and now simply save it. So that's how basically you can save and edit your GIF in Photoshop.